Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs on your Mac. If you've just switched from Windows, you might find the process a bit different, but the good news is, it's actually easier. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, we'll need to open Finder. You can spot the Finder icon in your dock. It's the smiley face. If it's not there, no problem. Just press Command plus Spacebar, type Finder, and open it from the search results. When Finder opens, you might see a section like Recent Files, but what we're looking for is Macintosh HD. If you don't see Macintosh HD in the sidebar or on your desktop, we'll quickly adjust the settings. At the top of your screen, click Finder, then go to Preferences or Settings depending on your Mac OS version. In the General tab, check the box for hard disks, and you'll see Macintosh HD appear on your desktop. If you'd rather keep your desktop clean, head to the Sidebar tab in Finder Preferences and enable Hard Disks under Locations. This will add it to your Finder sidebar. Personally, I like to drag it into the Favorites section, so it's always easy to find, but that's up to you. Once you're set, close the Preferences window. Now, let's head to the Applications folder. This is like the Program Files directory on Windows, and shows you all the apps installed on your Mac. Let's start with an example. Say I want to uninstall Epic Games Launcher because I don't use it anymore. I'll right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. Alternatively, you can click and drag the app directly into the trash icon in your dock. It works the same way. If your Mac asks for your password, just type it in and click OK to confirm. Here's another example. Let's say I no longer need MetaTrader 4. I'll click it, drag it to the trash, and release it. Simple as that. The last step is to empty the trash. Right-click on the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. A prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete these items. Go ahead and confirm, and those apps will be completely removed from your Mac. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've uninstalled programs and tidied up your system. It's quick, simple, and hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.